fit.
So this is the ductless water heater. This is 610 square foot of dwelling unit, new construction. This is the bathroom here. We want to see if we want to install it here on top of this door or on top of that door, which leads to the bedroom area. So if it installed here, the condenser will be placed outside here, and this is the condenser unit. So the condenser unit will be here. Need some connection from the condenser unit over here, going into this hallway, and place it here or on top of this door that leads to the bedroom.